So right now we're going to head out from the market. We just had an amazing, like probably hour and a half.
Probably, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Experience.
Anita actually invited us to join the cooking class.
Which we were not anticipating at all, so we're really excited.
So we're gonna come along with her and do the cooking class as well, so.
Taste to have friends.
Stay tuned.
Bye.
No, you're fine.
But 500 or 400 years ago approximately, the Spanish people arrived and they just made an outlet with that.
A little bit of a traffic jam.
Trash is getting picked up, so we got a traffic jam. Hola, hola. ¿Cómo está hoy? Amigo. Wow. Incredible. They were just painting that at our last
day in the life
English
video.
class.
Yeah.
Yeah, incredible. Oh, sorry. We have made it to Anita's kitchen and it is so beautiful. If you haven't seen it from our last video, we'll show it off again a little bit now. So quiet.
Just gonna start it.
With also this will be for compost. So because they are tiny ones, we need like more heads. So we're gonna do a line here. When you're right here, no more. Okay. We just slice.
Heck yeah.
I guess I could cheer it on the chef. Absolute pro.
Oh, amazing.
Okay, grab this one.
¿Cómo estás, Lucy?
Muy bien.
Muy bien. Yeah. Muy bien, gracias.
So what is this called again? Whiskey. It sounds like whiskey. It's a change that doesn't taste like That's And in our Mayan language, it's called chimash. Small one, and the big one, give it to her. Okay? Muy bien. Okay. And this with bell peppers, cut them in chunks, and it goes here.
Looks like I've never cooked in my life. There you go. Another one.
Celery. This is celery. Okay. You just cut, not too thick, not too thin, like this. And then it goes into this pot. Okay. What is the small one? Where's the small size? No, we use them. Okay. Okay, vamos aquí. You help me with the sweet corn. We just collect the grains gently because sometimes they just jump. And we collect this, goes into this plate. On the side. Muy bien. Slice as thin as possible. Okay. To make one layer, cut them into strings like very thin and fine. And it goes on the plate on the side of the. Okay. Vamos, vente para acá. ¿Listo? Muy bien. Open the jars of these spices. All of them. You want me to? Yes. Cut them in chunks also for that. No. Chunks like this, 1 inch. No, we have Chris. Necesito practicar
Sí,
español.
por favor.
Necesitamos 14 cucharas de ajonjolí. Hojas. Dos hojas.
¿Qué es?
Hojas. Leaves.
Oh, okay, gracias.
I feel good now.
You teach me.
See? Peel them. Yeah, just peel them and put them into the. We just wait until we need a masher. One of the techniques that my mom taught me to test the temperature of oil is grabbing some of the grains of salt, like few of them, sprinkle. Now it doesn't sizzle because it's not heat. But later, in a few minutes, it's gonna start like bubbling. Yeah. So when you hear that sound, it's ready. Just let me know and then I give you the next instruction. ¿Está bien? Sí. So it's for you. Muy bien. Next project will last longer. ¿Listo? Muy bien. Switch now to the chopping board.
Okay.
Switch to your chopping. Pineapple. Cebolla. Squeeze 1 lemon juice. Stop. If it's hard, because I know they are so juicy, use a squeezer. Muy bien.
Gracias. Sí.
You having fun?
Having fun.
I had fun.
We got a professional chef over here, so of course we're having fun.
What are we making again? What's this stew called?
It's onion
I forget. I forget as well. We're making a green chicken stew.
Some kind of
Hokon.
Hokon, that means it has 2 meanings in our Mayan language. Hokon is like to collect. So when we collect from the cornfields, so when we collect the harvest. Also, hokon means to crush. These are the two. But the biggest meaning for us is like gratefulness. Hokon, that means you make that milk when you collect your harvest, and in order to share with your neighbors or the most needed family. This is what does it mean.
Incredible.
Hokon.
Hokon.
Hokon. So we have, see, the 3 of you or 4 of you, please need more onion. 2 each, just 2 each. Small, like no better? Just a snack with. See? I will show you. Mix. Chips, tortillas, but here it's called chirmol. Chirmol. It's spicy? No. You can add spicy if you want, but no, it's not spicy. In general, Guatemalan gastronomy, it's not spicy. We eat a lot of hot spicy, but they are always served as a side dish, never mixing with it. See. More salt? No. It's okay? It's okay. Let me check.
Maybe it's a lot of salt.
No. Perfecto. It's perfecto. You want to try?
Yes.
It's hot.
Thank you.
The temperature?
Oh, it's amazing. See?
It's called chirmol. Usually, we cook these tomatoes longer. Now, because it's
Ready to eat.
okay, have a seat or you can surround me. This is just the appetizer, okay? So, guacamole first. I'm sorry, I need a spoon. Just a second. Pause the video.
Pause the video.
Pause the video. Muy bien, here.
Oh, yum.
Buen provecho. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Amazing.
I'm pretty sure that you will love. These are amazing.
Yeah, all the way. So.
I know. I'm so excited. That's the hardest part about today right now, is just being in the way.
You know. What you got?
So this is the new dragon fruit, or a different kind of dragon fruit.
Then we have sapo. Es como,
Right?
I don't want to say, but
It does taste like the Jolly Rancher Sour Patch Kids.
Yeah. First it's sour, then it's sweet.
And then there's the regular one.
Then you find out
Super sweet. Super sour.
Yeah.
Super sweet.
Super delicious. Wow. Zapote. Okay.
And we have more.
And we have more. Zapote.
Zapote. You can hold it.
Oh.
I thought we were choosing.
Right. Oh.
First time eating sapote.
ones are black, like mango. No.
It's like a starchy mango.
Yeah, it's like mango. Starchy. Like a mango.
It's very good. Yeah.
It's still very strong smell. To us, it's like normal. We love it. This is one of the most expensive fruit that exists in our community.
Yeah.
This one, it costs 20 or 25 quetzales, just one. So each one fruit of this, it's a privilege. Not all of the people are able to afford to buy one of these. So I'm gonna grab another spoon.
How cute are these bugs?
If you don't like chickens, don't hesitate that I am not obligating you.
Wash your hands. You filthy animals.
And we go grab one by one. So these plantains, they eat the boiling with water and skin of cinnamon. Just smash. Water then. Cinnamon. That's it.
Water and cinnamon.
Then here, after we smash them, that is why we've been washing our hands. Collect them and put them here. Is that okay? You want to go in with that? You can grab. So with this blend. Okay, again. Help me to collect the peaches, put them into the tin.
Are you ready to eat so much more food? What?
I said I did all of the cheese instead of half of the cheese. I didn't know I was supposed to do half.
Go. I can fit 2 or 3 on each hand. You have this one and this one as well. And the two of you will take care of this flipping that. One for you.
Thank you.
And one for you.
Gracias.
But we wait until the edges will become brown.
Okay.
So now it's white, so we'll wait for a few seconds more. Until when they are brown, that means it's ready. We'll flip it. Okay?
Gracias.
I have this one, and I already gave you a spot. Thank you.
Yeah, very important. Good job. Don't burn the egg.
And then I'm going to
Very important. Local squash, a little bit of cheese in the middle, and then another layer of squash, and then they dip it in egg, and like this.
water.
Yeah. And then it goes into a skillet with oil, and you just cook it till it's brown.
Then after we have that size, like the size of our palm, this side and the other side joining together. Then we just grab some of this, not too much chocolate. So from the top, join the edges. Smooth with your finger. Fry them. Deep frying. Oil is getting hot now. So banana for us, it's like one of the bananas that you just eat in raw. Plantains are specifically for frying, cooking, or for the kitchen. A little bit more. So high up. So it needs to be deep and big. And a little bit close. So in that way it will be much easier for you to close them. Okay?
Thank you.
Sí, sí, sí. Muy bien.
Lunchtime.
Yeah, so we're finishing up cooking right now. Setting the table, getting everything ready. Sorry, it is super bright right here. And yeah, it's almost time to eat, even though we already snacked super hard.
One thing about coming to a cooking class is you need to come hungry.
You have
She
to.
feeds you so well.
100%.
You're amazing. Literally, you. Best part of Guatemala.
Muchas gracias.
Best part of Guatemala.
Muchas gracias.
So she actually is a chef, and then it just found out.
I can work with you.
Claro que sí.
Yeah.
Very welcome. It's been an honor and a privilege for me to host all of you today and share with you just a little bit. There are many things to discover here in this beautiful country, and thank you all for coming and visit my country. The energy of the lake, the name of that Atitlan. So it comes because it means in our Mayan language, atit. Atit, that means grandmother. Yak, lake. So that energy of a grandmother will wrap you up with this beautiful adventure that you're having today. Thank you for coming to Guatemala. Thank you for choosing Lake Atitlan to visit, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to share some of the foods today. I just hope you will like it. I just hope I fulfill your expectations for today. For the beverage, we prepare agua de piña or jugo de piña. So that is a very simple juice, but it's so refreshing. So it's just mixing water, chia seed, sugar, ice, and then we blend the pineapple, mix together, and that's it. I have Thai and leg. Thai, perfecto.
Muchas gracias para todo.
De nada.
If you are coming to Lake Atitlan or San Pedro especially, please come visit Anita. Take one of her cooking classes. She's absolutely incredible, and the food is almost as good.
Muchas gracias. I hope you're here. I hope to meet you. Okay.
Perfect.
We use this word every time when we join at the table in order to say enjoy the meal, and it sounds like this. Hawaii.
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 There is no. Okay, so just say Hawaii. Hawaii.
Enjoy.
Then you're down to give you corn.
Cheese.
Wow.
We had the most delicious,
So good. I am stuffed.
absolutely full. And Anita just knocks it out of the park every time. If you're looking for an experience here in Antigua, if you're looking for an experience here in Lake Antigua in San Pedro, Anita should be one of your stops. She's the most generous human. She will teach you anything you need to know about this beautiful place in Colorado.
For sure. Sorry if it's loud. There are a lot of traffic. We're heading out of here. We're going downstairs to the co-op.
Yep.
And then we gotta go back to the Mango Man.
Yep. See you then.
We'll see you. Actually, who are we in that show? Mango?
Of course we're gonna show Mango.
Yeah, we'll show Mango.
Mango Man.
Hey guys, Future Chris here editing. Can't seem to find our footage when we got home. I think we forgot to film it, but just wanted to say thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. We are so happy you're here. Oh man.